This year we repainted our master bathroom door. So this is how it looks, just plain grey color, a plywood door, and we chose the color of Chata Phlox from Nippon. So this will be the first time we use oil paint instead of water-based paint. So this paint can be used for metal and wood surface. Our daughter noticed that these mixtures of oil paint takes a while to dry up compared to water-based paint. Few years ago, I bought some lotus rhizomes online. Unfortunately, it did not manage to grow until flower, although we did successfully grow shoots from the rhizomes. But our backyard is too hot because it receives a lot of direct sunlight, especially in the morning. Fortunately, in our garden there's also a calathea plant which has flower that is similar looking to pink lotus. The pink purplish color of the lotus calathea is similar to this Paint Chata Phlox from Nippon catalog. This inspired us to choose PVC stickers with lotus motif designs to paste on the door. Last year, there was also an uplifting bathroom door project, and for that bathroom we also used sticker of lotus from the same seller but different artwork. This type of PVC sticker is waterproof and easy to paste on a smooth surface, and it also does not cost so much, very cheap for this big size. And on top of the sticker we paste acrylic mirror sticker, which the design is similar with the bathroom mirror leaves motif. Very happy with the uplifting bathroom door results. So it looks a bit glammed up now. Then I realized the door knob is a bit rusty, so we still have some leftover gold paint, so we touch up the door knob with gold paint. This is how the bathroom door looks like under natural light. The natural light is from the bathroom top hung window. Then this is how the bathroom door looks like under artificial light. The cost of the uplifting bathroom door project for this side door is not much as seen here.